In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Nature never did betray the heart that loved her. The glory of gardening. Hands in the dirt, head in the sun, heart with nature. Be truthful, nature only sides with truth. Modern science says, the sun is the past, the earth is the present, the moon is the future. The art of medicine consists in amusing the patient while nature cures the disease. Chaos was the law of nature, order was the dream of man. It is the nature of the wise to resist pleasures, but the foolish to be a slave to them. My wish is to stay always like this, living quietly in a corner of nature. In nature, light creates the color.